Never say thank you. Okay, let's start. Now, number pattern, is it something new? I need to see the number pattern notes. No graph on your table, number pattern notes. Right, let's start. Now, what is a set of numbers? A group of numbers. Are you sure? Alright, can you write down a number sequence? Refers to a set of number that is arranged in a specific manner. Specific manner means there is a same pattern. Okay, same pattern. Oh, sorry. So can you remove the S? So a number sequence is a set of numbers that are arranged in a specific manner. All right, and each number in the number sequence has a specific word for it. It's called a term. Okay. Now, so let's try and understand how to find this pattern. So let's see. The first number is called this. Can you write down? Key with a 1 below, like a small 1 at the bottom. So what is this called? This is called term 1 or first term. Then the second number is called term 2, or usually more often we don't spell the word term, but instead we just write a T and then a small number at below to say which term is it. Okay, so for example, if I have T99, what does it mean? Which term is it? The 99th term, right? Can. Now let's look at this number here. So in general, the n term is called the general term. How do you all copy and talk at the same time? Oh, copy, finish, then talk. Okay, so let's try and understand what this means. So, example, I have these numbers here. So, what is this blank here? This is referring to term number what? 1, right? This is referring to term number 2. This is referring to term number n, right? General term, right? So, this one will be term 1, term 2, term n. Like that. So, it's called the nth term, or the general term. Now, let's try and find out the pattern that we talk about. So, state a rule and write the next two terms in the following sequence. Let's try without any knowledge on this. Let's do a number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, what rule is this? 5 times table. Multiple of 5 plus 5. So how do I understand this? Usually I will compare these two terms and then I find out what is either the difference. So either I find out the difference, or I find out the product, or I find out the sum, or things like that. That means I find out certain pattern, or is it square, or is it something like that. So let's try the plus 5. Is it correct? Plus 5 is correct. Can times 5 or not? Cannot, right? So plus 5. So this is plus 5, right? So this is the rule of the pattern. So can you predict what's the next two number? 30. Very good. What's the next one? 35. Is this something you learned in primary school? Yes. Now let's try the next one. What about 36? Then 34, 32, 28. Oh, so we see this one is plus 5, plus 5. Now, it's very important to check. I repeat, it's very important to check that every sequence has the same pattern. If this is plus 5, then plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, that is not a pattern anymore. Okay, follow? Let's try. This one is what? Minus 4. Is every term minus 4? It looks like, oh. So can I confirm the pattern? Yes, right? So what's the pattern? Minus 4, right? Subtract 4, right? So what's the next two thing? 16, then 12. Simple? Turn to the next page and try out. Is it easy? The next one? 2, negative 6. How? Then it becomes positive again. Then it becomes negative again. So Naga, can you suggest a pattern for this? Could this be still a plus minus thingy? Really? How do you plus a minus a number, right? Then why it become plus already? Minus again. Times. Oh yeah, Max brought out a very important point. If I have negative times negative, it will become plus. Right? So, since I have an alternate sign of plus minus, maybe it's because there is a minus and minus give you plus effect. Now let's weigh a number first. How do I get this number? 2, how to get 6? Minus 8 is correct. Times 3 also correct. Am I right? Times negative 3, am I right? So let's try. If I multiply by negative 3, will I get minus 6? Yes. What happens if I times minus 3 again? Will I get positive 18? Yes. But maybe I'm just lucky. So 2 times is not enough. I have to turn to the next page and try a few more numbers. What about the next one? Is it still correct? If I multiply by negative 3? Yes. What about the next one? All correct. If all are correct, then we can confirm the pattern is real and accurate. So what can I write about the rule? Multiply by what? Negative 3. Can you understand? Can you predict the next number? What about the next number? In exam, negative 46 is 1 mark. 145 is 1 mark. Understand? So once you find a pattern, then you predict. Then you get the marks. Next, can I pause the video and you try? Check your answer. C and D is here. Yeah, that's what the video is for him. So now I want you to practice without me showing you. And then later on, you're going to present your answer. Right. How many of you need me to go through any of the... Huh? $25. Okay, anyone need me to go through any of the questions? Say now. Brian, any question? Jesse? Kylie? Yes. Which one? D. D, is it? Right, let's look at D. Say for example, I don't know how to get the relationship between these two numbers. But do you see that this is minus, plus, minus, plus, minus? most likely is a multiply by something or divide by something. So what I can do, I will use my green pen to help me. Usually I practice this. I will say I try take 1250 divide by 250. What do you get? Press the calculator and tell me. 5. 5. So my question is this times 5 or divide by 5? Divide. But you notice that it is special because the plus and minus keep alternate, right? So you know it's divided by minus 5. And how do you know whether this is correct or not? How do you know whether Daryl is correct or not? You go on and practice to test for all the values you realize is the same. Do I make myself clear? So this green method can go to plus, minus, times, divide. As long as you get the same pattern, you are safe. So this is done for the first part. Let's go on to the second part. So you realize this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, and 7 square. All the square to give you, right? Okay, so next one.